Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. I am Lucas.
And I am Anna. Ready for another great episode?
I am so ready. Usually in our deep dives, we tackle these really big, complex topics.
Like history or science.
Exactly. But today is a little different. Today, we're going back to the beginning.
We are. Our mission for this deep dive is to master the vocabulary of our daily lives.
I think these are the most important words, really. The words you use every single day.
Totally. From the moment you wake up, we're talking about the real world around you.
And we've organized it into 5 key areas to make it easier.
5 big topics. So, what's on the menu for today?
Okay, first up, where we live. So, home and furniture.
Got it.
Second, we'll look outside. We're talking about the weather.
Oh, that's a very important one for small talk.
It is. Third, what we wear. Clothes.
Of course.
Fourth, we'll look inside. How we feel. Our emotions.
Okay.
And last, number 5, the tools we use every day. Technology.
That is a great list. And for everyone listening, we're not just going to, read a list of words.
No, that would be so boring.
For each topic, we'll introduce the key words. We'll say them slowly and clearly.
Then we'll have a little discussion about them.
And my favorite part,
Mine too.
we will act out a short real-life scene to show you how to use the words.
Because context helps you remember.
Exactly.
Wow.
So, are we ready to start?
Let's do it. Segment 1, my home and furniture.
Okay, so this is all about the place we live.
And in English, there are 2 main words we use for our home.
Right. The first one is apartment.
An apartment. It's a home that is inside a larger building.
With many other homes in the same building, you have neighbors.
Yes, neighbors above you, below you, next to you.
And the other word,
The other word is house.
a house. This building usually stands alone.
Right, it's for one family. It might have a small garden.
So apartment in a big building. And house, standing alone.
Now, inside, the rooms are often the same. Let's start with the most important room.
The kitchen.
Yes, the kitchen, where you cook your food.
It's where the refrigerator is.
Yeah.
The fridge and the oven.
And all the snacks, very important.
Crucial. Okay, next room.
The bedroom.
Easy to remember. It's the room with the bed.
Exactly. The room where you sleep.
And what about the room for relaxing, for watching TV?
That is the living room.
And in the living room, you always find
A sofa.
a sofa. Or some people say couch.
It's a long, comfortable seat for 2 or 3 people.
Now, a very important word about money. Many people do not own their apartment. They
To rent it.
to rent. It's a verb. It means you pay money every month to live there.
You pay the owner. Okay, last 2 words for this section. They are opposites.
Clean and messy.
So clean means everything is perfect. No dust, no dirt.
Organized.
And messy.
Messy is the opposite. Clothes on the floor, dirty dishes, chaos.
The natural state of my room sometime.
I think we all know that feeling. Okay, so now for our discussion. The dream versus the reality.
I love this. Let's talk about our dream house. If you had all the money in the world, what would it be like?
Oh, easy. My dream house is, well, first, it's a house, not an apartment.
Okay.
And it's quiet. No noisy neighbors.
That sounds nice.
Has a really big garden with lots of green grass
Oh, I like that.
and a swimming pool.
Wow, a swimming pool.
Definitely. For hot summer days.
Yeah.
And inside, many bedrooms.
Yeah.
So friends can visit.
That is a beautiful dream.
But it is just a dream.
So let's talk about reality. What's your real apartment like?
My real apartment is small.
Small is okay. Cozy.
And cozy, yes. And the biggest difference is the noise.
The neighbors.
The neighbors, the person upstairs, I think they practice dancing at midnight.
Oh, no.
And of course, I have to pay rent every month.
The dream house is free, but the real apartment is expensive.
That is the truth.
And in a real home, we have to do chores.
Ugh, chores. The boring work.
I like washing the dishes. Do you wash the dishes?
I do. I don't love it, but I do it.
Yeah.
What about taking out the trash?
I hate taking out the trash. It's my least favorite chore.
I think we could agree cleaning is
Boring.
very boring. But you have to do it to keep your home clean.
True. Okay, I think we are ready for our scene.
Let's do it.
So, in this scene, I'm visiting your new apartment for the first time.
And I am very proud showing you my new place. Okay, I'm ready.
Wow, thanks for inviting me over. This is your new apartment.
Yes, this is it. Come in, come in. It's not big, but I like it.
It's really nice, and it is so clean.
Thank you. I spent all morning cleaning it for you.
Well, I feel special.
So let me give you the tour. This here is the living room.
I love the sofa. It looks very comfortable.
It is. I watch TV here every night. And through that door, that's the bedroom.
Nice. It looks quiet back there.
It is. Okay, and the last stop. Follow me. This is the kitchen.
Great. I'm actually a little hungry.
Oh, that's the fridge right there, that big silver thing.
Perfect. Do you mind if I see what's inside?
Not at all. Help yourself.
Okay, let's see. Huh.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh,
Hi, what's wrong?
the fridge is empty.
Ah, yes.
There is nothing in here, just a bottle of water. Is that a lemon?
I think it's a very old lemon,
I have
yes.
no food.
I know. I was so busy making the apartment clean, I forgot to buy food.
Well, you have a beautiful, clean, empty kitchen.
Sorry. I think we need to order a pizza.
I agree. Let's order a pizza.
Okay, scene end.
That was fun. And it shows how you can use all those words in a real conversation.
It does. Ready for our next segment.
Let's move on. Segment 2, weather and seasons.
This is such an important topic in English. You must know these words.
It's the ultimate conversation starter. Let's go through the vocabulary.
Okay, first, a happy one. Sunny.
Sunny, when the sun is shining.
Next, the opposite.
Rainy, when water is falling from the sky.
Cloudy.
Cloudy, when the sky is all gray and you can't see the sun.
And in the winter, snow.
Snow, the white, cold stuff that falls.
Now for temperature, hot.
Hot, like on a summer day at the beach.
Ugh.
Cold, like in the middle of winter.
Ugh. And one more, wind.
The wind, that's the moving air that blows your hair.
And what special object do you need when it is rainy?
An umbrella.
An umbrella
Yeah.
to keep you dry. Okay, so why is this so important? You called it the small talk rule?
Yes. In English culture, especially in Britain, talking about the weather is the #1 way to start a conversation with anyone.
It's safe.
It's so safe. You don't ask a stranger personal questions,
Right?
but you can always say, "It's a beautiful day, isn't it?"
Or, wow, it's really cold today.
Exactly. It connects you. So let's have a little debate. Summer versus winter.
The big debate. Which team are you on?
I am 100% team summer.
Okay, why? Tell me why.
Because it's sunny, I love warm weather, I love going to the beach.
The beach is nice.
And you can eat ice cream. It's the best season.
I understand. But I have to disagree. I am team winter.
Really? But it's so cold.
I like the cold. I love when it snows. Everything looks so beautiful and quiet. And you can drink hot chocolate and wear big, comfortable sweaters. I love cozy winter clothes.
Okay, cozy clothes are a good point.
Which brings us to what we wear. If it is rainy outside, what do you put on?
A raincoat for sure.
Uh,
And maybe some boots so my feet don't get wet.
Smart. And if it's cold,
And I need a big warm coat and a scarf for my neck.
you have to dress for the weather. It's very important.
It is. Okay, let's try our weather scenario.
Ready?
In this scene, we are very happy. We are planning a wonderful picnic for Sunday.
A picnic. That sounds lovely. Let's start.
I am so excited for our picnic on Sunday.
Me too. I already bought the food, sandwiches, some fruit.
Yeah.
It's going to be perfect.
We can sit in the park, enjoy the sunshine.
Speaking of sunshine, have you checked the weather forecast?
Oh, no, not yet. I'll check my phone right now. Let's see.
I hope it says sunny.
Um,
Oh, what? What is it?
this can't be right.
What does it say?
It says there is a storm coming.
A storm. You mean just a little rain?
No, a big storm. It
Oh,
says
yeah.
heavy rain and strong wind.
Oh, that's terrible.
We can't have a picnic in a storm.
No. Our sandwiches would get all wet. The wind would blow everything away.
I am so disappointed.
Me too. I was really looking forward to it.
Well, we have to change our plans.
I guess so. We could watch a movie at my house instead. You can
Yeah.
eat the picnic sandwiches inside.
That's a good idea. At least we'll be warm and dry.
Okay. Movie day it is.
Scene end. See how the weather completely changed our plans?
It controls our lives.
So, we've talked about coats and scarves. Let's talk more about clothes.
Perfect transition. Segment 3, clothes and fashion.
Okay, let's start with the basics. 4 items that almost everyone has. First,
A t-shirt.
a t-shirt. A simple, casual shirt.
Next, jeans.
Jeans. The blue pants made of that strong material. Denim.
A dress.
A dress. A single piece of clothing, usually for women.
And finally, on your feet, shoes.
Yes, shoes. You need them to go outside. Now, what about words to describe clothes?
When you're shopping, you need to know the size.
Right. Small, medium, or large.
You also need to choose the color. Blue, red, black, white.
And 2 important words for how clothes feel. The first is comfortable.
Comfortable. It feels good on your body. It's soft.
And the opposite could be something that is very fashionable, but
That's expensive.
exactly, it costs a lot of money.
So that leads to our discussion. Comfort or style? Which is more important to you?
Ooh, that's a good question.
Let me ask it this way. Do you prefer to wear pajamas or a suit?
A suit looks great. It's very stylish. But pajamas are so
Comfortable.
the most comfortable. I have to choose comfort. I would wear comfortable clothes every day if I could.
I understand. I like to look stylish, but on the weekends, it's all about comfort.
So let's talk about a very modern problem. Online shopping.
Oh, the online shopping struggle. I know it well.
You see a perfect t-shirt online, the picture looks amazing, you click buy,
The package arrives, you're so excited. You open it.
and the size is wrong.
It's the worst feeling. You try to put it on and you say,
It is too small.
or the opposite problem.
It is too big.
It happens all the time.
Okay, time for our fashion emergency scenario.
A fashion emergency. I like it.
You are getting ready for a big party, but you are very, very stressed.
Okay, I can do this. I'm feeling the stress. Action.
What's wrong? You seem really upset.
The party starts in 1 hour.
Okay, so we have time.
No, we don't. I looked in my closet and it's a disaster.
What do you mean? You have a lot of clothes.
No, I don't. I have nothing to wear.
Nothing to wear. I can see at least 20 things in there.
But they're all wrong. This t-shirt is too old. These jeans are too tight.
Okay, calm down. Let me look.
It's hopeless. I'm not going.
Don't be dramatic. What about this black t-shirt? It looks nice.
I don't know.
And pair it with these dark blue jeans.
You think that looks okay?
It looks great. It's simple, it's classic. Put on your nice white shoes with it.
A black t-shirt and blue jeans.
See? It's a perfect outfit.
Yeah.
And it's comfortable.
You know what? You're right.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. You saved my night.
Scene end. That feeling of having nothing to wear is so real.
It really is. It's more about a feeling than about the actual clothes.
Speaking of feelings.
The perfect segue to segment 4. Feelings and emotions.
This is about our internal world. Let's start with the positive emotions. First one, happy.
Happy. When you are smiling and everything feels good.
Surprise.
Surprised. When something happens that you did not expect, your eyes get big.
Wow.
Okay, now for the negative feelings. Sad.
Sad. The opposite of happy. Maybe you want to cry.
Angry.
Angry. When you feel mad, you want to shout.
Tired.
Tired. When you have no energy and you just want to sleep.
Now let's talk about health. The word is sick.
Sick. When your body does not feel good, you have a cold or a fever.
And a very specific feeling of being sick. A headache.
A headache. When your head hurts.
Now there's an important grammar tip here.
Yes. For emotions, we say I am. So I am happy or I am tired.
But for these health problems, we say I have
Exactly. I have a headache, not I am a headache. That means you are an annoying person.
Right. So if you call your boss, you say, I can't come to work today. I'm sick. Or I have a headache.
Very useful. Okay, let's talk about what makes us feel these things. What makes you happy?
Good food.
Yeah.
And sunshine. A sunny day always makes me happy. What about you?
Spending time with my friends makes me happy.
And what makes you angry?
Heavy traffic. When the cars don't move, it drives me crazy.
For me, it's when people are rude. That makes me angry.
And what do you do when you are tired?
When I'm tired, I need to relax. I just want to sit on the sofa and do nothing.
The weekend cure. Okay, let's act out our feelings scenario.
Okay. In this one, you are feeling very sad and tired.
All right, I'm getting into character. My shoulders are down. I'm sighing.
And I'm the good friend who notices. Okay, begin.
Sigh.
Hey, are you okay? You seem down. You look really sad.
I am sad and I'm so tired.
What's wrong? Tell me what happened.
I just had a really bad day. My boss was angry with me at work.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that.
And then I missed my bus, so I had to walk home in the rain.
That sounds like a terrible day.
It was.
Well, I know it won't fix everything, but I have something for you.
What is it?
It's a chocolate cookie.
A cookie.
It's your favorite kind. I'm saving it.
Oh, wow. That's really nice of you.
I thought it might help a little.
It does. Thank you. It actually does make me feel a tiny bit better.
I'm glad.
Scene end. A small act of kindness can make a big difference when someone is sad.
It really can. And asking what's wrong is the most important first step.
Okay, we have arrived at our final segment, the modern world.
Segment 5, technology and phone.
We all use this every day. Let's start with the hardware, the parts of the phone. First, battery.
The battery. The power that makes your phone work.
Charger.
The charger.
Yeah.
The cable you use to give the battery more power.
Screen.
The screen. The glass part you look at and touch.
Okay, now the software and connection words.
Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi. The invisible internet connection in a cafe or in your home.
Message.
A message. The text you send to your friends.
An app.
Short for application. Instagram is an app. TikTok is an app. And photo.
A photo. A picture you take with your phone's camera.
Okay, let's talk about a very modern feeling. Low battery panic.
Ugh, I know this feeling. You look at your phone and the battery is at 1%.
Panic, you start looking everywhere, asking everyone.
Does anyone have a charger? I need a charger. It's a real fear.
It is. What about the cafe challenge?
The cafe challenge. You walk into a cafe. What's the first thing you ask?
What is the Wi-Fi password?
Every time. We need to be connected.
It's true. Okay, last question. Do you take a photo of your food before you eat it?
Sometimes if it looks really, really good, but usually no. I'm too hungry. What about you?
Same. The food never lasts long enough for a photo. Okay, final scenario.
A technology problem.
Exactly. You are very excited to show me a funny video on an app.
But the technology does not want to work. Okay, I'm ready.
Action.
Oh my gosh, you have to see this video. It's the funniest thing I've seen all week.
Oh yeah, what is it?
It's on this new app. Here, look at my phone.
Okay, I'm looking.
It's loading. Just a sec.
The screen is just black.
I know. Come on. Why isn't it working? I just tapped the screen and nothing.
Do you have a good connection?
I think so. Let me check. Oh no.
What?
At the top of my screen, it says no signal, no internet.
Ah, that's the problem.
Like maybe if I stand over here, I'll hold the phone up high.
Does that really work?
Sometimes. I'm trying to find the Wi-Fi signal. Ugh, this is so frustrating.
It's okay. Just send me the message later when you have internet.
Fine. But it was a really funny video.
I'm sure it was. Scene end.
A very common problem in our modern lives. No signal. The worst words.
It really is. Well, I think we did it. We covered all 5 areas.
We did. Let's do a quick recap of our journey.
We started at home, in the kitchen, and the living room.
Then we looked out the window at the weather and talked about sun and rain.
We got dressed with our clothes, our t-shirts and jeans.
We checked in with our feelings, like being happy or sad.
And finally, we tried to get our technology to work, with our phones and our Wi-Fi.
That is a lot of new vocabulary, but they are the words for everyday life.
Exactly. And now we have a final thought. A challenge for you, listening at home.
Yes, we want you to practice right now. Look around the room you are in.
Can you name 3 things in that room in English?
Maybe you see a table, a chair, a window, a lamp.
Try to say the words out loud. Practice is so important.
It is. And that brings us to the end of this deep dive.
Keep practicing, and we will see you next time.